Celery benefits. 15 amazing health benefits of celery. The celery, a low in calorie food, is cultivated majorly for its garden-fresh herbs. You can consume it as a convenient go-to snack, cook it, or devour as a salad. Nutritionists and dietitians affirm it as a food rich in phytonutrients, minerals, nutrients, and, most notably, water. So, if you think that there is a stringent need for you to diet, without a doubt, start adding it into your diet. You can pair this nourishing food with different sorts of dips, cheese, or even peanut butter. Combining it with fruits like apple, cucumber, lemons, or adding into your soups and salads can make it more palatable for you. In today's video, we will show you the potential celery benefits and provide its nutritional information. Please watch the video until the end and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. Number 1. Antioxidants. Antioxidants play a part in protecting blood vessels, body cells, and body organs against the oxidative destruction. Celery is a high source of vitamin C, flavonoids, and beta-carotene. Also, there are supplementary 12 antioxidant nutrients of which it is composed. They can provide fortification against cellular damage that can further lead to premature aging and diseases. Number 2. Aids in weight loss. The people on a diet will find this fact constructive, as one stem of celery comprises 10 calories. A cup of its chopped form includes 16 calories. The presence of dietary fibers reduces the carb cravings because of the water-absorbing property. Few bites of celery give the sensation of fullness for a long time. The action of chewing will aid you in decreasing your hunger need. There is a boosting enhancement in the release of hormones which elicits satiety, making it a wise snack for you. Number 3. Prevents inflammation. Being rich in phytonutrient, celery possesses the characteristics of anti-inflammation. When taken in the form of juice or extracts, they reduce the activity of inflammation-causing factors. Also, the luteolin is significant in hindering the action of an infection-instigating enzyme named as COX-2. In Chinese culture, apigenin, a compound of celery, is used as a medication to treat bacterial, viral infections. Also, they reinstate the steadiness of your immune system. Most of the arthritis patients are suggested ingesting 1 glass of celery juice every day. Number 4. Intercepts with cancer-causing agents. You can preclude your body from the bloat of cancerous cells and program cell death by the intake of luteolin in your diet. Moreover, in the treatment of cancer, it makes cells prone to advantageous chemicals during treatment. Apigenin has similar functions against cancer if taken in diet. Cancer-reducing factors like flavonoid and phytonutrients are present in celery. There are lesser chances of blood clot formations, the risk factor of tumors, and in turn, lead to cancer. The number 5. Maintains mental healthiness. Here comes another stimulating advantage, which claims that you can now improve your mental performance by taking celery-related compounds in your diet. The existence of potassium in this diet food can support brain functions, neuron stimulation, and muscle retrenchments. Consuming this diet veg means you are consuming a variety of nutrients like potassium, magnesium, vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, calcium, etc. In this manner, you are improving your mental well-being through memory progression. Some of the doctors suggest the intake of celery can help overcome panic attacks and depression because of the presence of phthalates in celery. Number 6. Improves digestion. The pectin-based polysaccharide compounds, such as apiamin, is noteworthy in inhibiting the occurrence of stomach ulcers. The significant amount of celery is also vital for improving the lining of the stomach. Also, it moderates the stomach secretions. The antioxidant nutrients of this low-calorie snack provide safety to the digestive tract. Researchers say that 1 cup of celery stick contains 5 grams of dietary fiber. So now, you know how to keep your digestion healthy and regular. Number 7. Remedy for acidity. This food had been used extensively as a remedy for heartburn in previous years. The low acid property of this food can treat people with acid flux problem. Such kind of food has a neutralizing influence on essential bodily functions. The antioxidants ensure the stomach digests intake of upcoming foods firmly. It helps in avoiding acidity and nausea feeling when junk food is ingested. Number 8. Hydrating effect. Since celery is rich in water with a percentage of 95, you can guess that how much hydrating effect it can have on your body if you devour it in an appropriate proportion in your daily diet. Don't forget to consume this bland food during the hot summers and freezing winters to keep your body well hydrated. Drinking its juice early in the morning with an empty stomach improves the immune system. The celery juice gets you covered throughout the day. Number 9. Managing cholesterol level. The presence of fiber in celery lowers the level of cholesterol. It happens by picking excessive cholesterol compounds and eliminating them out. Researchers claim that its seed extracts help to reduce the bad cholesterol and triglycerides in the bodies. Cardiovascular disorders like heart attacks and strokes are prevented by the inhibited formation of fatty molecules in the blood. The celery flavonoids work best in this case and help in avoiding obesity. Number 10. Plummeting blood pressure. The seed extracts inhibit hypertension by lowering the level of blood pressure. In different situations, these extracts have been used as medications. A chemical in celery called phthalate diminishes the level of stress hormones and permits the blood vessels to ease. Since celery has low salt content, the celery dilates the walls of the artery, which helps to progress the blood flow. Celery in the diet every day lowers the increased rate of standard blood pressure. Number 11. Arousing property. This food comprises androsterone and androstenol found in males as pheromones. They are substantial in increasing attractiveness in men, so this food can have arousing benefits. The arousal of intercourse demand is increased due to the rapid progression of androsterone. The partner gets intimidated by the increased rate of this hormone. Number 12. Urinary tract obstruction. Most of the time, the urine cannot pass through the urinary tract due to some obstructions. It increases the uric acid and lowers the impression of bacterial infection. The tract can pass the urine efficiently without any agonizing pain. Celery has bacterial infection preventing components along with vitamins and antioxidants that nourish the whole body. Number 13. Treat psoriasis. Psoriasis is the uncontrolled division of skin cells, forming big red patches on elbows, knees, face, like areas. Celery can treat psoriasis because it strengthens the immune system. The trigger virus that causes psoriasis is basically a virus, and celery components fight against this disease. There is a greater chance that 1 glass of celery juice can treat psoriasis and eczema-like skin problems. It will help in digestion, increase blood circulation, and overall help the body stay active. Number 14. Gout medication. Gout is due to excessive uric acid in the body. Basically, it is the swelling inside the neck and can affect blood pressure and cause breathing problems. Since gout is the inflammation of hormones in the neck and celery has anti-inflammatory properties, it is one of the best natural sources for its treatment. The gout inflammation can be decreased and lower considerable amounts of breathing problems. Celery is healthy, beneficial, and even helps the body stay regulated and hydrated. Number 15. Treats bronchitis and asthma. Bronchitis is the inflammation in the lungs and asthma is chronic lung problems. Both of them are treatable by celery because celery juice instigates proficient levels of flavonoids. Some studies suggest that drinking celery juice every day for 2 months will lower breathing problems caused due to bronchitis and asthma. If you like my content, please let me know in the comments section below. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Stay healthy.